guess it doesn't matter because we're about to get started with our HIIT cardio interval training. As always, we're gonna start with our jog. But where am I getting ahead of myself? This is Super K. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, you know you want to. But as always, let's get started with our warm up. So we're gonna get started with the jog, go into some jumping jacks, do the Heisman, and some booty kicks. So let's get started with this warm up. So let's get started with our jog. Just a nice little jog. Nothing too serious. "30 seconds, and we're just gonna go into some jumping jacks. This is all about your heart rate and that guy's truck. Go into your jumping jacks. Enjoy my beautiful dog in the background. She's here for your emotional support. Now land softly with those jumping jacks. Make sure to get your arms above your head. Motion, some mid drift. Super cute. This is a children's channel. It's not. But your kids can do your workouts. My workouts. Okay. Heisman, this is new if you haven't done it. You just jump. And if you can't do that, just pretend I'm a football player. Not catching Super K on the football team. And side to side, engaging that core. Go for those booty kicks. Kick, kick, kick. You got a big booty like me. Your heels just touch it. Don't kick your dog. You don't want the ASPCA called on us today. Well, I hope you enjoyed that HIIT cardio warm up. And now we're gonna get started for the real burn of a workout. Let's go. Now that we've done our warm up, we've got 20 seconds for me to go over the workout real quick. We're gonna start with high knee twists, then we're gonna go to touch the floor, do shoot the hoop, cross jacks, and we're gonna end with switch kicks. Follow along with me. We've got 8 seconds before we do our high knee twists. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Again, if you can't do the full workout, there's not going to be a modifier next to me. You're just gonna, but the goal here is to go as fast as you can and get that heart rate up. We're halfway there for the first one. Ten seconds. 2. Okay. Now we're gonna go into touch the floor. That's just, oh gosh, I'm bad at cardio. Touching the floor and jumping. If you can't do that, I just want you to 2. Here we go. So again, for the full Monty, you're gonna give yourself a nice hop in the middle. If you can't do that, you're going slow. No matter how you do it, you're gonna get your heart rate up because you're working the biggest muscle in your body, which is your legs. This is the third workout of the day. Krusty Krab. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go into shoot the hoop. So a lot of our workouts you're gonna notice are a lot of jumping, a lot of compound movements. This one's just kind of fun. You're gonna act like you're scooping up a basketball and shooting. And shooting. And shooting. Oh, I'm switching to the other team and I'm gonna shoot. You don't have to switch. I think it's fun. So Here we go. Shoot. 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 And if you can't do the full move, then you're just squatting and down. Squatting and down. The full move, you're adding a hop. My legs are on fire. I did legs today at the gym. Woo. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank God. That was terrible. Whew. We're gonna go into cross tracks. So you cross your arms like this, kind of like you're dancing, and you're gonna cross your feet. Cross. If you're like, I'm not coordinated, super K, I can't do that. Give it a nice tap. Just keep that body moving. Keep going. Kind of look like a monkey when you're doing it, but cool. Our last one, the real cardio finisher, the one that's gonna get you dripping in sweat. We're gonna do some switch kicks. Again, if you can't do the full move, I want you to just get that leg up as high as you can. Really pull through the core. This is what the full move looks like. Super K's tired. I'm going at a slower speed. Take a second. Center yourself. Get back into it. He's already on to her second dinner. Got the stick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you're doing the full 15 minutes, this is your 20-second break. You're gonna restart the video, you can go back. But honestly, 5 minutes of this, you're gonna get your heart rate up. The purpose of this is to just have a workout that you can do real quick. No equipment, nothing. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see you in our next video, which will be another mental health Monday kind of thing vlog. Super K out.